So I was doing some research on Miranda Gold, little prospect generator I like to watch with projects in Colombia, and they just sold out of their projects in Nevada. And I was just looking at their website, and there isn't much of any recent news. So I was looking at CDAR.com. It's a regulatory site for Canadian listed companies. And I found something. April 10th. Just clicking through. What is this? Basically saying that Adrian Day Asset Management is a large owner of this company. I've known that, but it's nice to see an update. As of March 31st, 2015, Adrian Day, etc., they have ownership of 8.4 million common shares, which is approximately 11.2% issued and outstanding shares of Miranda Gold. So that's one of the major shareholders of Miranda Gold. There's some other stuff in there, but for those of you that don't know Adrian Day, he's got a website, Adrian Day Asset Management, and he manages people's accounts. If you're willing to give him money, he'll put it to work for you. He's very conservative, but he still gets into these gold stocks, especially small speculative gold stocks like Miranda Gold. Miranda Gold's probably one of the smallest ones he's into. Lots of the other stocks he gets into are larger international ones. He likes yield and just value, looking at balance sheets, and just very value contrarian oriented investor. So why Miranda Gold? Why does that little company fit his bill? If you look closer at Miranda Gold, this is a small company. We're on TMX Money website, which is basically the Toronto Stock Exchange website. And look at this chart. The last 5 years of Miranda Gold. It's down, 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 right along with the markets. It had a high in 2011, like the most of the rest of these little speculative gold companies. The last year, just down, down, down. Not fun to be invested into. But look at the market cap. You got $6.6 million market cap. It's a small little company. I mean, what is there really to evaluate in this company? So one of the things I like to look at, that Adrian Day is probably looking at too. Let's go back to CDAR.com. Is their balance sheet. I mean, it's just one of the most basic, simple financial things to look at for these public companies. And they haven't published a new balance sheet in a while, but the last one, it's published in January 21st of 2015, so that means they have a weird financial calendar that doesn't end at the end of the year, so they've got some other financial calendar, or else they wouldn't have a quarter that ended in November 30th, which is kind of weird, but that's the way they're doing it. So here's their balance sheet. As of November 30th, 2014, they had $3.8 million. Now they have a $6.6 million market cap. So if they still have that cash, they have a little over half of their value in cash. Just a couple $1 million attributed to the enterprise value of this company. Hopefully their projects are worth more than that. And if you look at the expenses of the company, just their cash flow statements, these guys have been generally quite conservative over time at spending money. Consulting depreciation is non-cash. The director's fees for the quarter, most of the money is going towards exploration. I like to see that in exploration companies. I'd rather the partners spend it all, but if the money's going anywhere, that's better than just fancy offices. And they're doing stock-based compensation Seems like more than salary, wages and benefits, travel, and things. $600,000 less some of the non-cash stuff. Somewhere between, it's over $100,000 a month that they're spending. But if you strip out this stuff, maybe 115, 120 grand a month, something like that they're spending. So if you took their cash from November till December, January, February, March, April, 5 months, you drop that by, let's say, 600 grand. We're probably at $3,200,000 in cash. It's just a hair below half of their market cap is backed by cash right now. Just back of the envelope calculations. So Adrian Day looks at this stuff. He looks at where their money goes and how they structure their deals and why. Lots of the other companies that Adrian Day is into and these markets structure their deals the same way. They like to get their partners to pay the bills. They like to use their partners' expertise. And Miranda's list of current partners, and especially past partners in markets of the past, is a who's who's list of the mining sector. And these guys have done deals with you name it. They've won their trust and got them to put up the money, time, and expertise to test their theories, to test Miranda's ideas. This market is down and out, but these guys come up with ideas and they know their stuff, and their peers believe them. And I think as the market comes back, they'll land more of those deals, and they'll be able to grow this company back up out of the size it is now. And that's a big reason I believe Adrian Day is invested into this company and why I watch it very close to. And we'll see what the next news release is. We'll see what they do going forward. And if you're interested in watching and following along, I'd recommend you subscribe to Miranda Gold's news releases. Go to Miranda Gold's website. If you're interested in Adrian Day's services, he's got all kinds of information on his website. And also, please feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.